Affiliate marketing still pays big if you choose the right niche. In 2025, competition is higher than ever, but the demand is too, and the most profitable affiliates know where to focus. Let me show you 5 affiliate niches that actually convert in 2025 with high paying offers and room to grow. 1. AI and automation tools. Everyone's using AI, students, business owners, creators, which makes it a top performing niche. Promote tools like Jasper AI, 11 Labs, and ChatGPT plugins. These SaaS tools often offer recurring commissions, meaning you get paid monthly for every sign-up. People want shortcuts. AI tools give them that, and you can earn every time they do. 2. Finance and investing, credit card referrals, budgeting apps, stock platforms. These programs pay $50, $250 per sign-up, even more if you're promoting US-based offers like Webull, Acorns, or Personal Capital. Best part? Finance content is always in demand, especially during economic uncertainty. Just keep your content clear, trustworthy, and helpful. 3. Creator tools, courses, software services. Everyone online wants to grow, and they need tools to do it. Promote course platforms like Teachable, funnel builders like Systeme.io, or YouTube automation tools. These products are exploding because of the creator economy, and they offer high converting affiliate programs with up to 60% commissions. Target beginner creators, coaches, and solopreneurs. 4. Health, fitness, and wellness. Think beyond supplements. Go for digital fitness plans, sleep optimization tools, or niche programs like gut health or hormone balance. You can promote through platforms like ClickBank or niche-specific affiliate networks. It's evergreen, emotional, and incredibly scalable. Tip: pair this with short-form video content for fast growth and conversions. 5. Digital products and templates, one of the easiest niches to promote because the products are cheap, in demand, and instant to access. Think ebooks, Notion templates, printable planners, AI prompts, all with affiliate programs. Sites like Creative Market and Etsy even allow affiliate links. It's great for content creators who want to promote without being salesy. Final thoughts. Affiliate marketing in 2025 isn't dead. It's just smarter. You don't need a huge audience, just the right offer and the right niche. Focus on value-driven products with real solutions. Use content to attract the right people, and let the links do the work.